All right, I've got a little unboxing here to do for you. And then we'll take it and get it set up a little later on. I'm only assuming that you probably know what this is based on the last video. Oh, let's open her. What we got in here, how it comes packaged, all that jazz. Little piece of cardboard. Comes with like a hand strap in here to lift it out. That's pretty cool. So, what I have here is the Echo Show 11. It's the new Echo Show. It's got an 11-inch screen, and it looks pretty cool right off the bat. All right, put this cardboard back over here. Probably make a good for sale sign if you want to sell your car or truck. All right, let's open it up and see what we got. I kind of like these tabs they put on these packages here, just like zip and it's open. It's like tamper-proof. You know, nobody's been in here before, right? What's got here? Oh, we got one on each side. Let's unzip this one. Now, all my unboxings, I've never seen the product before. I just talk as I see it. But if you want to take a look at the box, that's what we see. It talks about, you know, like stickers, product info, name of the product over here, and a little bit about Alexa over there. Okay, let's open it up and see what we look like. All right, here we are. This is it. Now you can see exactly. Okay, we've got our power cord here, all ready to go. Okay, power cord all ready to go. We'll take it off the cardboard. They got it nicely wrapped. Some instructions. Tells you about the product. Echo Show 11, Echo Show 11, Alexa Plus, all right? We'll put this over here. I don't think there's anything else in here that we need to be aware of. That's how it comes. There's nothing else in the package. So I'll put the cover back on this. All right, we're going to take this over here. Now you can see when I showed you the base before, this is just going to sit right on the base. It's magnetic. It's just going to go clunk, and it's going to be right there. So let's take our cover off. Let's see what happens here. I don't know what's going on. There's these tabs on here, but they just break off. They don't do anything. Oh, it's back here. We just undo it back here. Kind of breaks apart. Doesn't seem to come off too clean. All right, turn it around. Pull it off. And that's it. You can see me in the thing. How you doing? But that's the unboxing of the Amazon Echo Show 11. That's how it goes on the base. It's magnetic. And we'll get this set up in a little bit later. That's the whole package right there. Thanks for watching.